Hello, I am Lakshman Maaheshwary and today we are going to talk about the Competition Act of 2002. The Competition Act of 2002 replaced the archaic Monopolies and Restrictive Trade Practices Act of 1969. The Competition Commission of India was established to prevent the activities that have an adverse effect on competition in India. This act extends to whole of India except the state of Jammu and Kashmir. It is a very important tool to implement and enforce competition policy. The aim is to prevent and punish anti-competitive business practices by firms and unnecessary government interference in the market. It is equally applicable on written as well as oral agreements between the enterprise or persons. The Competition Act of 2002 was amended by the Competition Amendment Act of 2007 and again by Competition Amendment Act in 2009. Let us talk about the key goals of Competition Act. To prohibit the agreements or practices that restrict free trading and also the competition between two business entities. To ban the abusive situation of the market monopoly, to provide the opportunity to the entrepreneur for the competition in the market, to have the international support and enforcement network across the world, and to prevent from anti-competition practices and to promote a fair and healthy competition in the market. This video was about the Competition Act and was brought to you by Lakshman Maaheshwary. Please like, subscribe and share to keep receiving important updates. Enjoy your day.